Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the grill is stable and the lid is off. This gives you direct control. Open the bottom vents to about 50 to 75% so fresh oxygen feeds the coals. This initiates combustion and prevents smothering. Then open the top vents fully to create a strong draft. Hot air rises, pulling oxygen through the coals. Once the coals glow and ash forms, you'll be ready for the next adjustments to fine-tune temperature. Once the coals are evenly lit and producing steady heat, reduce the bottom vents to about 25 to 50%. This limits oxygen and stabilizes the burn. Then adjust the top vent partially closed to control exhaust. Closing it slightly raises internal temps by slowing heat loss, while opening it cools things down. You're balancing oxygen in versus exhaust out. Use a thermometer to read the cooking rate and fine-tune. As you finish venting, set final positions for cooking. Narrow vents for low, slow heat. Wide vents for high, fast searing. If smoke smells bitter, it means incomplete combustion. Add a small dry wood chip and open vents a touch to clean the burn. If the fire dies back, open both vents briefly to feed oxygen, then dial them down. Sudden full openings can flare or waste fuel. Make sure to tweak in small steps and observe the grill's response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.